A viewer recently asked me, Flora, how can I actually enjoy this summer without stressing about all of my clutter? Now, honestly, this is a question that most people should be asking themselves right now because we only have around 18 summers with our kids before they fly the coop. And most of us only have about 85 to 95 summers in our entire life. So to stress a whole summer about all of the stuff that's in your attic, the basement, in the garage, all the stuff that you keep avoiding, I would recommend handling it now so that you can maximize your summer and really, truly enjoy this summer for what it really is. Because you deserve to have a summer without your to-do list or your clutter breathing down your neck. So I have 2 steps for you. The first step is to choose your decluttering weekend. And the second step is to plan out your summer fun. So let's break down each of these steps. The first one, choose your decluttering weekend. Pull out your calendar and choose one weekend, just one, between now and the start of summer for you to declutter whatever it is that's bothering you, okay? So look at your all of everything and say, okay, what's the number one thing that's bothering me about my clutter? Is it the garage that you can't park in? Is it the attic? Is it the basement? Is it that spare bedroom? Is it your entire house? Commit to it. Figure out what it's gonna take. And if it's gonna take more than one weekend, be honest, then schedule it in, but do it before the beginning of summer. Recruit as much help as you can so that you can get this done. Now, also, I have a fabulous video that I previously recorded a few weeks ago that I break down step by step how to create a weekend decluttering plan. Everything from the supplies you're going to need to your playlist, what you're going to eat, and to also break down with a calendar and with time blocks of the spaces that you're going to declutter and how long you're going to spend in each of those spaces. Promise yourself, promise your future self that you will put this in the calendar now, because this is the thing. Again, we only have about 85 to 95 summers in total, and we only have about 18 summers with our children when they are home. You don't want to spend another summer bogged down with your clutter. So commit to having a weekend or 2 where you will hit it hot and heavy and get as much decluttering done as you can. And again, this video walks you step by step on how to prep, what to gather, how to break it down, and how to finish strong without burnout. Now, the link to that video is below this video as well as linked at the end of this video. So what this is going to do is this is going to clear out some of that mental clutter, because now you're not just thinking about all your clutter, you've actually planned for it. Now, step 2 is to plan your summer fun. Get out your calendar and ask yourself, what do I want to experience this summer? If you've got kids, what do you want to go explore? Do you want to go to the zoo? Do you want to go to the museum? Do you want to go to parks? Do you want to have a camping trip? Do you want to go to the lake? What do you want to do? If you don't have kids, if you're an empty nester or just kid-free, what do you want to do? Do you want to go camping, hiking, traveling? Literally, the sky's the limits. Write down a list of all the things that you want to do and then put them on your calendar. Put them on your calendar, look at them, and recognize that, wow, like I actually can do all of these things this summer. So many women spend all summer reacting instead of relaxing. But if you map out your memories now and you put them on your calendar, what you're going to do is you're going to create that space so that you can enjoy them throughout the summer months without the guilt of, I should be cleaning my garage or my attic. Your summer doesn't have to be busy. It actually can be very intentional if you let it. So I want you to ask yourself, again, what do I want to experience this summer? Where do I want to go? What memories do I want to make? And who do I want to make these memories with? This is a big one. And also, think of the end of the summer. What do I want to have done by the time summer ends? If clutter is still in the way of your freedom, now is your chance and your moment to fix that. So go check out that weekend planning video, link below. Get your date on your calendar, prep your supplies, and then, like I said, for step 2, plan your summer, plan your joy. Now, before you go, drop this in the comments. What's one thing you really want to experience this summer, and what clutter do you need to clear now so that it doesn't get in your way? I would love to hear what you're making space for. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.